recently got the VIVE Diffuser because I love essential oils and I spend a lot of time in the car. What I really love about the VIVE Diffuser is the thoughtful design. To fill it up, you just put water inside and close it. No spillage. It has 2 USB ports so you can continue charging your phone while the diffuser is diffusing. And to turn it on, you just plug it in and turn it on. I really like that I have the option to select out of a handful of really thoughtful colors like this mint green. It's fun and calming, just like the essential oils.